Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 home gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. This Rowenta iron with access stainless steel sole plate is a powerhouse for anyone in need of pristine ironing results. With its sleek black design and compact dimensions of 13.69 L into 6.45 W, this steam iron brings both style and functionality to your household chores. The retractable cord feature offers convenience and ease of use, making it simple to store and maneuver. The stainless steel sole plate ensures smooth gliding over fabric, resulting in well-pressed and wrinkle-free clothes. Whether you're ironing delicate garments or tackling a large load of laundry, this Rowenta iron delivers consistent steam and heat for outstanding performance. In conclusion, the Rowenta iron with access stainless steel sole plate is a reliable and efficient appliance that simplifies the ironing process.
Euro Cuisine YM80 electric yogurt maker is a versatile kitchen appliance suitable for individuals seeking a convenient way to make homemade yogurt. Crafted by Euro Cuisine, a trusted brand known for quality kitchen products, this yogurt maker in classic white complements any kitchen decor. The Euro Cuisine YM80 electric yogurt maker has a generous capacity of 2 pounds, allowing users to prepare a large batch of yogurt at once. The appliance comes with 7 6-ounce glass containers, ideal for portioning and storing your freshly made yogurt. These containers are made of durable glass, ensuring long-term use and easy cleaning. One of the standout features of the Euro Cuisine YM80 electric yogurt maker is its simplicity of use. With just a few easy steps, you can enjoy delicious and healthy yogurt in the comfort of your home. The yogurt maker maintains an optimal temperature throughout the fermentation process, resulting in creamy and flavorful yogurt every time.
The Stanley Ice Flow Stainless steel tumbler is a versatile and reliable beverage companion suitable for a wide range of users. With a capacity of 4 pounds, this tumbler by Stanley is designed to keep your beverages cold for up to 24 hours, making it ideal for those who enjoy refreshing drinks on the go. The vacuum-insulated feature ensures that your drink stays at the desired temperature without any condensation on the exterior, keeping your hands dry and comfortable. One of the standout features of this tumbler is its leak-resistant design, which provides peace of mind when transporting it in bags or cars. The pool color adds a stylish touch to the stainless steel construction, making it appealing for all users. Additionally, the tumbler is dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process and ensuring convenience in maintaining its quality and hygiene. Whether you are taking it to work, the gym, or on outdoor adventures, the Stanley Ice Flow stainless steel tumbler is a reliable.
The OHO Smart Glasses polarized sunglasses are a high-tech accessory that combines style with functionality. With product dimensions of 6.3 into 5.71 into 1.85 inches and an incredibly lightweight design at just 1.09 ounces, these smart glasses offer both comfort and convenience for daily wear. Equipped with advanced features, the OHO Smart Glasses are designed with a focus on user experience. The ASIN B08 BL2 ZNC9 and item model number Sports Pro ensure that you are investing in a quality product that prioritizes both style and performance. One notable aspect of these smart glasses is the inclusion of one lithium metal battery required, which comes included with the purchase. This ensures that you can enjoy uninterrupted usage without the hassle of constantly changing batteries. With an impressive customer review rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars based on 4,781 ratings, it's evident that users find these glasses to be reliable and effective. The best sellers rank in electronics at #2063.
The Bubble Machine Gun. Kids, Toys by Bamako is a delightful addition to any child's toy collection. Made of durable plastic and a vibrant blue color, this bubble gun offers endless fun and entertainment. The bubble machine function adds an extra element of excitement, allowing kids to create a cascade of bubbles effortlessly. The sleek design and easy-to-use features make this toy engaging for kids of all ages. It is perfect for outdoor play, parties, or simply enjoying a sunny day in the backyard. The bubble gun is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it convenient for children to use without any hassle. Not only does this bubble machine gun provide entertainment, but it also helps improve hand-eye coordination and stimulates imaginative play. The bubble machine feature operates smoothly, ensuring a steady stream of bubbles that will captivate children and keep them entertained for hours on end. Overall, the Bumoko Bubble Machine Gun Kids toy is a fantastic addition.